It's good to see you, Rebecca Osborne.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, and this is so exciting because we're doing video for this podcast episode. And of course, when you were on Coffee and Geography before, it was audio only.
It was.
So now I actually get to see your work.
Get to see.
So, but folks, if you're still listening only on audio only, you're not getting the glory of it here. So yeah, so this is your contribution this year. But are you doing any more this year?
So I'm here again on Saturday. So working with Opergy Net Zero, who are designing a pathway to net zero for Norwich, which I'm making an illustrated version of. And what I'm doing is capturing feedback, which is going to inform that document about what the people of Norwich would like to see happening in Norwich as well.
Yeah. So because in fact, folks, I'll let you into a little secret for listeners now, is that next week's Coffee and Geography episode is actually with Johnny Ruffle, Dr. Johnny Ruffle, who is a climate ambassador from Opergy Net Zero, and we've got his colleague Chris over there as well. I'll see if I can get a quick word with Chris. But yeah, I'm always astounded. I mean, I said to you before, I'm always astounding about what you do here, but this is the way I think things should be recorded, like not in a document, not in a white paper, Rebecca Osborne style.
Well, I think all of the above,
because
this is what will hopefully encourage people to dive deeper and read those more wordy documents. But it's a bit more accessible and quicker to sort of get the overview of.
Yeah. It's so lovely to see you and Paul again.
It's great to be here and be part of this because it's always just such a cool event.